margherita, I actually love a margherita. I think margherita is like, if you go to a new pizza place you've never been to before, you always want to get a margherita as at least one of the pizzas, because it's just like the test, isn't it, of a good pizza spot. I'm gonna do it sort of like a little bit differently. I'm gonna do like a reverse margherita basically. So you've got the cheese on the bottom, sauce on top. I like a bit of garlic also. Add a little bit of that. San Marzano tomatoes, literally just with salt added. But they're such a sweet, like sort of non-acidic tomato that all you need to do is season it really and they're good to go. A little bit of parm. Okay, and I'm gonna bang this in the oven. Gonna finish with some fresh basil, parmesan, and a little bit of fresh buffalo. It's like a margherita, but it's sort of like jazzed it up a little bit. And then oil on the crust. Good.